Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a mobile friendly storefront in Odoo. Now, to set up a mobile friendly storefront in Odoo, you should optimize your website layout, images, menus, and product pages so they work smoothly on phones and tablets, not only your desktop. So Odoo already includes responsive design features, but a few adjustments can greatly improve the mobile shopping experience. And this issue guys, and why we have came to this topic, because many people have asked about this, how to make the mobile store more friendly, and they haven't gotten any answers. Same thing here, and so go on. So here are some tips to do to actually fix what you gotta fix and make it more smoothly. And this is basically based on some articles by Odoo themselves. So first of all, you need to use an Odoo responsive theme. Starts with a responsive website theme. So simply just go to your website, go to configuration and then settings, and choose a modern responsive theme that actually can work with the phone and desktop and basically iPad, pad, anything, tablets, etc. Then choose this modern and save it and preview it on your mobile and then on your PC so you can see the differences and if it's actually responsive. Then the second thing, once you have that and you do the design and you complete it, then go ahead. In case you are going to make a store, then your store has your store page or product pages need to be mobile friendly. For better product pages, use clear product images. Keep title short, so because in phone you need short text, you cannot really put a whole title that has like 7 letters. Keep it simple and avoid long text blocks and place prices near to the top. And as you do that, you will be having a very responsive friendly storefront. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.